So my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas, and it continue. Right at this present moment here, we out a grand spend, viewers, for the second layer. They might put on the second layer now, viewers and subscribers. You can see this side already got its second layer, so this is the side where motorists are used. So right now, they put on the second layer. This is the side where we did use, what motorists are used from the other day. You know. But remember, that was one layer. So what them do? They divert the vehicle now to over this side, as you can see, and they put on the second layer on this side. So that's what we are here, giving you the updates of the second layer. Big Volvo paver. So as we say, viewers, is the second layer of the asphalt paving, okay? They're going to put on the second layer on it, so stick and stay now and see everything. So, you know, we are going to details, make you see, you know, so stick and stay, okay, viewers? Bless. Beautiful. Hey, now, sir. Right, viewers? I'm set up a video. Some people pass me and I know nothing pretty. I know nothing pretty, viewers. May I tell you that the sun is about 1,000 degrees plus the heat will come off asphalt there. May I tell you, Jaja. Anyway, out here giving you the update, you know, viewers. We're going to see what's going on in the development of St. Thomas. Second layer, I put on out a grand spend. Just as a pass, first and last bar. But I'll be on this, so yes. It's a chin. Yes, viewers, me I tell you, man, St. Thomas time to shine. Hold it down for so long. Can't hold it down no more. My conscience are right, them they have Lego St. Thomas. Yeah, they have Lego St. Thomas, viewers. And what the Chinese them respond to out here saying of viewers. Paper are wide like wow, but at the same time, you know, viewers, you have a aisle machine there, a head of them are aisle, you know. So look at that truck empty, so. So stick and stay now, viewers. You know what they do, you know, so just do they do. Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When I do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, put it on all. so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed, and if you don't watch more from my viewers, Manners and thanks. I hope you don't hear me too, you know, because a whole heap of breeze are blow out this side. Remember, speak your mind down in the comment section, you know, viewers. Get active there. Second layer. Run spin. I'm gonna play for use road. 6 centimeters I play for use road and I'm wait for road for so long. I'm glad for the road. I tell you, motorists I'm glad for it because I'm wait for it for so long. But one thing I want to make them know, say, it's not going to wait this year to stay. So someone I use it like it all going next week or next month it's gone. Can't get closer on that. It's a chill watching face. Serious like today and tomorrow. You are right on the wall, man, around it, you know. Cha-cha. So this is how it look after the pressure pass on it, you know, viewers. Yeah, after you adjust the pressure pass a while ago, this is how it look. So anyway, now that we come to the end of another video, viewers and subscribers, giving an update to let you know see second paving, and second layer going on out a grand spin. As you know, this is the road that we drive on from a long time. So the first layer up on it, so they put on the second one now, and then they open it up back to the public and I eat that feed. So they divert the vehicle over here. So now that we come to the end of another video, you know. So hope you all enjoy this update. And if you're new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel, man. If you leave a like, thank you very much for doing so. If you leave a comment, yes, that's where you should get active down in the comment section. If you watch out to add Sammy, thank you very much also. So we say see you people in the next video, you know, see your triple panic gravel, you know. And I know what they do, so do they do. I'm out.